We got a package. Come from the mothership again. So I think this is a replacement battery welder from Secure. I do think so. It is a little heavier than a motherboard, I think. I think there's something a little bit more than a motherboard in here. We'll find out. It's a replacement. Weird smell. So this is a replacement battery welder. So I think I told the story, but I blew it up. And then I contacted Secure, and I gave them all the credentials and the video and yada yada yada, and it says we'll send you a new board. So they just says they were nice, and they just sent me the whole new contraption. So now I got another one. So now I got two. One that's full yield, full battery voltage, the leads at all times, and then this one. Yeehaw. Nice. So that's awesome. I like that. So, now we can play with the other one and do weird things with it. So here's the case for it. Kind of a semi-unboxing, because I didn't have the other unboxing video there, because the footage got lost. Don't know what happened to it. So we'll play with this. We'll do weird things, and they'll short things out. I don't know. And we'll get the cables out here. We'll try to weld something with it. And I got some little thinner nickel strip, so it should be a little easier on it. So I was trying to pump up 0.15, so I'm going to try 0.10. See if that helps. So let's fire this pig up. Oh, now for all you screen freaks out there. Ah, is that good for you? So we'll turn this on. Version 2.08. And we got all our little silly little things in here. So let's see. Auto 1 second, power 5 milliseconds. We'll crank that up to the max. So the max is 99. Then we got a little beep, our little LCD, and all the other good stuff. So we'll get our victim here. And the last time we seen our victim, I completely nucleared the end with full battery voltage. So we nuked it good. So that sucker ain't coming off. So now we're going to play with the other end. Stay. And we'll get rid of them. And this is the 0.15, the 0.10. And then I think this is the heavier stuff. So that didn't weld very well. So we'll try the 0.10. That's fantastic. So we'll do a little practice weld here. Because if you didn't already know, I have projects for this. Now I got 2 projects. So I like to have this working. Or blow another one up here live on camera. And I'm getting real close. I'm one away from 1,000 subscribers. One away. Hot damn. And yes, I do have all my watch hours. I have 4,500 watch hours. Just waiting for the subscribers to come up. So, we'll put this sucker on, see what happens. Because I do not know what is going to happen. And we have a full battery voltage. So the power is fully voltage. We're going to just give her the old beans here. And that one did a lot. Nice job. So here's what it looks like. I didn't get that on the first job that I did. So on the first welder, you can't even really see them little burn marks. But on this sucker, oh hell yeah. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. At least that's attached. So the .10 is the .110, the 10. It's still a little thick, but I would say it's acceptable. I can go a little thinner. So next time I go to Amazon, I'll get what's the next one? 0.5, I think. 0.05. No, actually that's bigger. So it's thinner than 0.10. So we'll get a little thinner stuff. And I lost my probe again. I gotta fix that. I have to jam something in there so they don't go all the way in. Because that's a deep cavity in there. So we will try this again and then wrap this up because the battery in the camera is almost dead. So there. I think that's working to a lot better standard. Focus. There. So, I'm happy. And a big thank you to Secure on your customer service and going above and beyond than, you know, agreeing to send me a motherboard and sending me a whole brand new unit. So thank you. So if you're interested in these little battery welders, you are more than likely, I would say, real world consumer. If you want to get into battery welding, 0.10 is the maximum that you can weld. You might have to double blast it, double weld it, but 0.10, I would say 0.10 is the maximum you can use and have a secure weld. We'll try a little bit thinner nickel strip, and then I'll actually do some projects with it. So thanks for watching, and again, thank you to Secure for your awesome customer service, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.